This is the new Infinix Note 30 VIP, the luxurious version of the Note 30 series. This device comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, a smooth 120Hz AMOLED screen, and the convenience of wireless and reverse charging. It also comes with a 12GB RAM, expandable to 21GB. You get 256 storage, and all this comes for the price of 233,000 naira. I know what you're thinking. These specs outweighs the price. But you know what? We're going to dive in and find out if this device can live up to its spec sheet. Opening the package, we're greeted with two boxes. The first box includes a 15W wireless charging pad. The second box contains a USB-C cable and a powerful 68W fast charger. There's also a clear silicone case for protection, a SIM ejector tool for easy SIM card placement, a glass screen protector for additional screen safety, and a pair of headphones. For the design, the Infinix Note 30 VIP boasts a sleek design with a glossy back and a sturdy plastic frame that provides a solid grip. On the side, you find the power and the volume button, and don't worry, this fingerprint scanner is in display and it's quite responsive and unlocks this device very fast. The weight of the device is 195 grams and it feels balanced and comfortable for long usage. I would say the plastic frame is a practical choice for durability, reducing the risks of damage from accidental drop. Also, the placement of the buttons and the ports is easy to reach, which gives it a pleasant experience. For the display, the Infinix Note 30 sports a 6.6 inches AMOLED screen that has a very slim bezel. The punch hole cutout is barely noticeable and doesn't interfere with the viewing experience. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and swiping feel incredibly smooth. The screen resolution is 1080 by 24,000 pixels, rendering sharp and clear images with ample display. The display peak brightness is 900 nits, making it easy for you to use under bright sunlight. The always-on display features a convenient touch, allowing a quick glance at notifications without fully waking up the device. For the performance, this device is powered by the Dimensity 8050 chipset, which is one of the best mid-range chipsets. It handles graphics-intense games like Call of Duty and PUBG smoothly with barely any lag or frame drop. When tested on Antutu, the chipset scored 681,000, which shows its high-quality performance and processor power. Even under heavy usage, the device maintains a comfortable temperature and the battery drain is minimal, making it a solid choice for heavy gamers and multitaskers. The expandable RAM capability ensures the phone operates smoothly even when running multiple heavy applications simultaneously. Let's move on to the camera setup of the Note 30 VIP. It comes with a high-resolution 108-megapixel dual camera setup that captures details and vibrant photos. The device supports video recording up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, with an inbuilt stabilizer ensuring smooth and professional footage. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera doesn't disappoint either. It captures sharp selfies and supports video recording up to 2K at 30 frames per second. So whether it's a selfie, portraits, or videos, the camera setup got you covered. After testing the camera in different scenes, I can simply tell you the Note 30 doesn't disappoint. Even under challenging light conditions, it captures good images with minimal noise. In well-lit condition, the photos are impressive, showcasing accurate colors and fine details. The night mode is quite impressive as well. It brightens up dark scenes effectively. The 2x zoom comes in handy to capture subjects from afar without losing details. The portrait mode provides nice bokeh effect, accurately blurring the background, while the AI lens works effectively to bring out the best in your shots. Overall, I can say the camera delivers good photos. For the battery, the Note 30 VIP comes with a 68W wired charger that powers this device from 0 to 100 in 45 minutes, which can drastically reduce the wait time for charging this device. The addition of a 15W charger in the box provides you the convenience of a cordless charging. Here's something that truly sets the Note 30 VIP apart: its innovative bypass charging technology. This allows the charging current to bypass the battery when it hits 30%, directly powering the motherboard instead. This not only stops the overheating of this device during charging and gaming, but also extends the longevity of the battery. For the software, this device runs on Android 13, laid with XOS 13. There are a few pre-installed apps, but not too many that it becomes bloatware. Unfortunately, as for now, there's no news on the software update scheduled from Infinix. So let's talk about pros and cons of this device. It has a good chipset, one of the best in the market. It has a 120Hz AMOLED screen, which is amazing. It has a good battery. It's flash-proof, it's affordable, has wireless charging and fast charging. For the cons, the plastic frame, it might scratch or break, and no news on software update, and no Corning Gorilla Glass. But if you weigh all the pros, it outweighs the cons, because For this price, I'm not sure you can get a better device, and the quality is amazing. The camera, like, I couldn't get enough of that camera. And if you ask me, if you're looking for an affordable device that can actually give you flagship features, this is it. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, grab one. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this device, and I'll see you guys in the next review.